Hey guys, so today I have an Urban Outfitters delivery, so let me unbox it and show you what I got. Again, I always buy things on sale, so there's no exception here. I picked up a few bits because of course there was like one thing I wanted and then I ended up buying a few things. But it's okay, because if I don't like any of it then I will obviously return it. So let me show you what I bought. I'll show you all of the items and in between put little clips of me trying them on so you can see what they look like. So the item that started this whole haul off is this purple top. It is honestly such a soft fabric and I really wanted like some new crop tops and I just thought it was really dainty and pretty. I actually saw this in the shop at first and it was like £32 and I got it for £8 online in the sale. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this looks. So this is the first top. I really like this top. I feel like I don't have anything like it already and it's quite unique. You can actually like cinch these in as little or as much as you want. So you can actually have it like longer if you don't want like your belly button out, I suppose. And yeah, I feel like the sleeves are really fun. I probably would wear it like this, but I guess if you really wanted to, you could like actually put the sleeves down and kind of have them like that. But yeah, I really like this top and I'm giving it a big thumbs up. Also, the fabric is very soft. So staying in the crop top theme, I also got this crop top. It is by Basic Pleasure Mode is the brand. And these little stars are actually crochet, so they're completely different to the main fabric of the top and I think it's quite funky. So yeah, excited to see how this looks and I feel like it's going to be so comfy. The fabric is really thick and nice. So this is the next top. Again, I really like this. It is so soft. It's really like figure hugging. The stars are just really cute. They're a really nice addition. I feel like it's also kind of seamless. Like there's not really a seam down here, which is really nice. Yeah, I mean it's pretty basic, but you know, it does look nice. And yeah, it gets a thumbs up from me. This is a bit of a random one, but I got like one of these fishnet like tops just to wear under other tops and like just spice it up a bit. As you can see, it'll, you know, look like that on my arm. I'm actually not going to try this on right now because I think it needs to go in the wash because it has a weird vinegar smell. But yeah, I just wanted to show you I also got this. So the next two tops are kind of like similar vibes. So this is the first one. As you can see, it's kind of like a multicoloured fabric and it's like a bell sleeve, like flary, and it's very pretty. But what I will say is this is much thinner than I expected it to be. You can probably see my thumb through the fabric here, but it's very, very delicate. So you want to be careful when putting this in the wash. And because it's so thin though, I feel like this would probably be good for like autumn and also like summer as well, because obviously you're going to get some bad days in summer too weather-wise. So yeah, I think this top will be really nice for kind of all year round depending on the day, and it obviously looks really nice. It's just quite different and unique. So yeah, see how it looks. Here is the first bell sleeve knitted kind of top. I think this is really pretty and I don't have anything like this either. It is obviously very thin. I don't have another top on underneath, but I probably would if I was going to wear it out, just because it is really thin. But yeah, I love how the sleeves are quite like oversized, like covering my hands. Obviously you can like roll them up as well. But yeah, I think this is really cute and pretty. And yeah, it's very delicate though. You really will have to be careful with this one. I don't know how long it's going to last for. Probably only buy this if you find it in the sale. So this next top definitely has the same silhouette to the last one, where it's, you know, got the bell sleeves and it's kind of cropped as well. And it's obviously like mix match patterns and stuff. What I will say is this is much thicker than the last top. Like, I guess it's better quality fabric. And yeah, obviously like some of these panels are kind of see-through and others aren't so much, but I think that it will cover you up nicely. And yeah, again, I feel like this will probably suit for, you know, different seasons on different days. You obviously do get some kind of colder days in summer, so it should be okay for that. But because this is definitely a bit thicker, I think this will definitely be a really nice top for like autumn, winter, and obviously like the colours suit that too. Okay, so this beats the last one. I really like this top. It is so unique, it's really cool, it's thick, good fabric, and you know, it's actually quite warm. I actually don't know if you would want to wear this in summer, but it's just so different. It's really nice, and yeah, I really like this one. This gets a big thumbs up from me. I would recommend. So my last clothing item is a dress, and it's a very long dress. This is by Basic Pleasure Mode as well. So it has this kind of little logo thing on the front, and it actually has like a forest and a deer on it. And yeah, it is very long, so we'll see how this goes. The fabric is not what I thought it would be. It's like this slinky, very stretchy and kind of like shiny fabric, but it is very see-through. I don't know if you can tell, you probably can, like you can see like the trees behind, like you can see through the dress. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I guess you could always wear like a slip underneath it, and I have one of those, so that could work. But yeah, we'll see how this looks. I think this could be a really nice summer dress that's quite unique as well. Okay, now I'm a little unsure on this one. Obviously it is really long, as you can see. But you know, this is a size 6 and I'm actually normally a size 8, and I thought it might be a bit more fitted. Like if it was like a bit more snatched, I feel like that looks a lot better. The print and everything is obviously very unique, and the fabric feels so nice. It kind of feels like I'm not even wearing anything, which is really cool. Yeah, bit torn on this one. Also, there were like some snags on the fabric. You know, I just got rid of them and it was fine. But yeah, I can kind of see why this was in the sale, but at the same time I do kind of really love it. I guess I just need to decide if I'm going to get enough use out of it. I think this would look so nice on holiday, and I guess even though it's not like really tight, it just, you know, it's extremely breathable and comfortable, and it does look really cool. I would probably not wear black knickers because I think you can obviously see them a bit, but yeah, other than that, I do think that this is good, and I think the fact that it's so unique gives it more points. I think if this was just a plain dress in this fabric, it would actually be kind of bad. I do really think it is the design and the pattern that makes it nice. But yeah, it is a nice silhouette. It has like a little slit as well, and yeah, I think this would be nice for like dinner on holiday, or like, yeah, maybe even just to chuck over like your bikini, like, you know, if you're going for like a nice lunch on holiday or something like that, just because it is so light. So yeah, I think I probably will keep this, but yeah, I'll have to make sure that I find a good use for it. Lastly, I got a gold necklace. I'm trying to show it to you as best I can, but it's like a layered necklace. This is by Silence and Noise, and it was £5. Honestly, I added this on to get the free shipping, but it is really cute, and I don't tend to wear gold jewellery, so hopefully this might look nice for some of the tops that I got. Just so you can see, I have put the necklaces on as well. I do think that they're actually really cute, and it's really nice, like layered look. Definitely stands out on the outfit. So yeah, thumbs up from me. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it, and if you could give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, that would mean a lot to me. I'm really new to this, and you know, I'm still a bit nervous and stuff, so yeah, I appreciate any support, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye!